Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will help how to make a nice stash easy guide. Start by tracking 1 week of spending and label items as wants versus needs. Next, set a small weekly stash goal and automate transfers to build momentum without thinking about it. Use a separate account or envelope so the stash feels real, then review progress each week and adjust your goal to stay motivated and realistic. In this part, we'll cut costs with simple swaps you can keep. Start by canceling one unused subscription and move that money into your stash automatically. Cook at home 3 nights a week and treat dining out as a reward, not routine. Call or chat to negotiate one recurring bill and funnel the savings to your stash so you see immediate progress without sacrificing comfort or convenience. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. I love The Simple Path to Wealth because it changes how you think about saving and investing, and it pairs nicely with Stash Basics. It's a tidy read that gives practical habits to grow your money with less stress. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll focus on growing the stash in a calm, steady way that fits real life. Set up automatic transfers right after payday so you don't miss the money, and aim for a modest cushion of 1 to 3 months of expenses. For short-term growth, choose low-risk options that keep your money accessible and protected. Check progress monthly and celebrate milestones to stay encouraged and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.